Hello professionals, I'm Clinton Armstrong, Director of Operations at NTI, and I'd like to share an opportunity that's not just important, it's transformational. We're hiring a network infrastructure technician to join our team at NTI, supporting operations at Tyndall Air Force Base in Panama City, Florida. This role is a part of something bigger, supporting the Air Force's push to build the base of the future, as Tyndall continues to rebuild after the devastation caused by Hurricane Michael in 2018. One of our core values is trust through transparency and accountability. So with that in mind, with just 4 months left on this contract, we're seeking professionals who can make an immediate impact. Due to the short duration of this position and as an incentive for staying with us through the end of the contract, a retention bonus will be provided. This could also lead to other opportunities within NTI or with our teaming partners. If you're someone who thrives on delivering high stakes, high value results, and you want to be a part of a forward-thinking mission, this is your moment. Let's talk about qualifications. You'll need an active secret security clearance, at least 3 years of experience as a network technician, and a DoD 8570 IAT Level 2 or higher certification. You'll also need experience with Cisco DNA Center, BGP, EIGRP, and OSPF is highly desired. If you've worked with the DoD or Air Force, that's a strong advantage. And if you've got hands-on experience with fiber and copper installations, you'll be in a great position to succeed. We're also looking for someone with strong communication skills, a high level of integrity, and a sharp analytical approach to problem solving. For education, a high school diploma or equivalent is required, and in terms of certifications, we accept, again, the DoD IAT Level 2 certifications. So what will you be doing? Your main responsibility will be delivering network installation and maintenance services. You'll play a key role in setting up, managing, and protecting critical infrastructure within a rapidly evolving defense environment. Your technical knowledge should include Cisco IOS and related hardware, a strong grasp of networking protocols and architectures, and awareness of cybersecurity threats in modern IT environments. Skill-wise, you'll need to be capable of communicating clearly with both technical and non-technical teams, designing and implementing routing schemas, protecting networks from malware and intrusions, and configuring tools like firewalls, VPNs, and intrusion detection systems. This is a chance to contribute to something exceptional, even if it's for a short period of time. If you're ready to bring your skill sets to the forefront and help finish this contract strong, we'd love to hear from you. To apply, check out the job posting on our website. Thanks for watching, and we hope to welcome you to the team soon. Mahalo.
NTI is an equal opportunity employer. All qualified applicants will receive consideration for employment without regard to race, color, religion, sex, sexual orientation, gender identity, national origin, disability, or protected veteran status. NTI complies with all applicable local, state, and federal employment laws, including those enforced by the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, Office of Federal Contract Compliance Programs, and U.S. Department of Labor. This position is governed by the Federal Acquisition Regulation, the Defense Federal Acquisition Regulation Supplement, and may be subject to additional compliance and security requirements as outlined in applicable federal contract clauses. These may include requirements related to ethics, cybersecurity, human trafficking prevention, export control, and other contract-specific obligations.